Hello friends, let us start today's analysis. Today is 6th March. So before we start, yesterday was trending day. This was PDL and this is PDH. And today market open gap up. You can see these two black lines which I plotted before the market opens. Let's check what is the importance of this. This is a gap border, and gap border plays an important role in market. So this gap was formed on 27th Feb and 28th Feb. So this was low of gap and this is high of gap. So when you see today's first candle, you see what happened. First candle is a breakout candle. The first candle has given the breakout downside and it was a gap up. So this is a breakout. Now onwards I'll be only discussing two strategies because after a lot of study and putting all the strategies together, I found out that all the strategies can be categorized only two strategies. So it will be important and it will be easy for all of us to understand what are the two strategies. One is breakout and another is reversal. That's it. There are two strategies only. Any kind of pattern or any trade you can categorize in these two strategies, so you will find out how. Now the first candle is broken, this one, so this is breakout and this is the first candle high. Now since it is happening gap up and the CPR was little far, you can take the trade here on the close of the candle. Your stop loss can be three stop loss: above this, above the gap border, above this pivot, or above the candle. I took above the candle because this is the first candle which is breaking the gap border, and since the CPR is away, I will show you how it worked. So you take a short trade here and yeah, your stop loss above that, and 1:2 is your target. So where is 2? Yeah, 2 is exactly near CPR. So this is your target. Somewhere here you should get out. Now after this trade is done, breakout trade is done, you see this candle has broken the 20 EMA. Okay, but it was back to back candles and it is closing on the CPR. There is CPR on the way, so not a good place to trade. Now what happened, this candle has gone down in the CPR and this candle has given the reversal. This is our favorite CPR reversal pattern, and I told you this was a breakout trade, this is a reversal trade. So you should go long here, keep your stop loss below the day's low or below the CPR. See, if you want to have, if you are sure about your trade, you can have big stop loss because that will give you a big reward also. Like, because you should exit when the target is achieved. For this, the target is 1:2 or days high. Where is the days high? Yeah, 1:2 is here, gap border, exactly at the gap border. So you can be out or at the days high. So second trade is also done. Now what happened is, if you follow the patterns and if you see how market is doing, market stopped falling on this day because it was this was a swing low, for recent swing low you can call it. This candle has closed above it and that was it. This market sustained above this. Yesterday's market gave a continuation to that as a trending day, and this can be considered as market is reversing now. So when this has happened, so today's CPR is also kind of little average to white CPR, and market opened gap up. So there was a good chance that it will reverse from CPR. So when you go long here, either you take days high or you trail your stop loss till the market ends where it is here, so you can take a good profit, or as long as the market is above 20 EMA. So in this case, uh, if you miss this entry going long here, there is nowhere else you should go long. You should go long only if the market comes down at the same point and gives the reversal again. Okay, so this is it. Once this PDH is broken here, then again it is broken, again it is broken, so 3 times, then this PDH is of no use, so you can neglect this PDH. And the gap border, look here, it tried to sustain, it did not break. Here also after a lot of struggle it broke it, but you cannot go long here. Why? Because you have, like, this gap border is previous, but today this is day's high, so day's high will be a resistance. Before that, all this cannot be considered as resistance. Like some want to go short here, go short here, it doesn't work that way. So today's day's high is this one, and this was a low probability. Even if market reversed from this point somewhere here, you should not go short because there is no other resistance on top of it. If this is reversed from CPR, we can go short, but since this was a standalone candle just reversing from this point, there is no you can say supply zone reversal or red candle reversal, no reversal. If you did not get this entry to go long here, you can go long on this candle. This is 145 candle. 145 candle, what it has done, it has broken this high and it has broken properly. It's a convincing breakout with a power candle. And one more thing, before that there were 2 candles, these were facing the resistance here. It is not a proper green candle, so it's like a doji candles, 2 doji candles. After that this breakout has happened, so this is high probability. But another point, like, which is not in favor of this trade, that is this gap border, because this gap border is also a big resistance. So you see how much resistance is that it has taken here. But still, seeing the reversal day and the market structure, you can still go long here. And if you don't want to go long here because of this one, then you have to find the retest. Where it is retested? Here, this candle. The candle has to be completely formed, but it did not give you 1:2 risk reward. It is like a break even trade, you can say. But as long as candle is above this 20 EMA, it can be considered that it will go up. So that's it, guys. What happened is, someone can predict that market will reverse from here and now it will start its upward journey, but you have to always respect the resistance and support. Nothing works better in the trading than a pure price action based on support and resistance. You want to make things complicated, you can use lot of Fibonacci and lot of indicators and MACD and all that, but the issue is, the market, if you want to utilize lot of things like, okay, what Bank Nifty is doing right now, what is Sensex doing, news happening, and what are these indicators are telling, so this will make you stressed. And trading, the most important thing is you should be stressful. So keep it very simple, very 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 simple. What happens on that day, you should focus. This was the resistance. Unless this is broken, no other long entry, whole all these candles, no long entry, because this resistance is not broken. Long entry was only here. If you miss this entry, then you have to wait till this high is broken, and that too you have to check how it is broken. If this is back to back green candles, it is broken and stopped here, that was not long entry. So this will happen, like, day by day chart analysis. And one more thing, guys, you should trade only one instrument. I will come up with a small video or some small post on my channel that why you should trade Nifty. There are a lot of points to be considered while selecting the instrument, and after considering almost 5 years of study on this, I have finally selected Nifty, and I will continue only Nifty, because you need only one instrument to make living out of trading. So that's it for today. And if you see on a daily chart, it is reversing actually. Market has given a reversal from this point, and now another hurdle is, and it has, see, market doesn't like gaps, I have been telling you. So this gap is also closed. So now two things can happen. Market has closed this gap, work is done, now it can come down. Market can face resistance on this 20 MA, it can come down, or market can break this 20 MA now on a daily time frame. So you should watch this, and mostly my prediction is market may break this, because you see on a daily time frame, this candle, these are like a buy candles, there is no wicks on downside. So this is giving indication, and bar candle is to be considered only at the bottommost part of the day or of the chart or anything. Like, this is the bottom, there only you should consider bar candle. You should not consider like in the day any other bar candles, like suppose this is the bar candle, this is, you should not consider all this. You should consider bar candle if it forms near the day's low and in the late afternoon for intraday. But on a daily time frame, I will tell you, this is giving a signal, and I may be wrong, but this is just my view. This looks like it is going up now. It can face a resistance on this 20 MA. Here is also a small gap order. It can come down also. Anything can happen in market. So that's it, guys. Only two strategies. Make it simple. One instrument, two strategies based on support and resistance. So breakout and reversal. Both the trades worked fine today, and that's, I think I had today's PNL is around. I took the trade. I took this first trade only. This trade I missed it because I was in middle of something. So I did not take any other trade, and I had a profit of 14,000 on one lot of Nifty future. That's it. Bye bye.